Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Christmas video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla as a nutcracker. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Nutcracker Godzilla, let's begin right here with the nose. So I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve out and down. Then I'm going to bring this line over and then down. I'm going to make this line come over, and then we're going to curve it to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to curve this around and then bring it down to here. I'm going to put two little lines for the nose, and then a line down here, and a line that's going to go down and curve around for the eyes. Let's put a little row of sharp teeth at the top and at the bottom of Godzilla's mouth. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down, over, and then up. Over here, I'm going to make this line come down, and then we're going to go over. And then over here, we're going to go out, down, and then over. Right here, I'm going to go down and then over for the belt. Then for the hands, I'm going to go down and up, down and up, down and up. Same thing here, down and up, down and up, down and up. We'll just connect that here. Right here, I'm going to go down. I'm going to bring this over and then up for part of the jacket. And then right here, I'm going to go down, a line down, and then another line down here for the legs. I'm going to curve this line down, and then I'm going to curve this line down. I'm going to bring this over and up, and then over to here. Now, right up here, let's make his hat. Let's make a line that's going to come up. We're just going to follow the curve of his head and come down. Then we're going to go up, over, and then down. Let's put a little bump on top. Then let's make a crown. We're just going to go down and up, and then down for his crown. And then let's go ahead and put some little circles on here for like some little jewels. We can also make another line across the top of his hat. Let's make a line here and a line here for some shoulder pads. And then let's make some little curve lines underneath it for a little bit of detail. We'll draw a line and then a line. And then a couple more little lines on here for some detail. I'm going to make this line come down and this line come down. Then we're going to jump over the belt and do the same thing here. Let's draw some circles on here for some buttons on Godzilla's jacket. We can even put a button down here. Let's draw two lines down for the belt buckle, and let's put a little square in there. Let's draw two curved lines right here for the top of the boots, and we'll make another line underneath there for some detail. We'll draw a line right across the bottom of the boots, and then we'll make these little half oval shapes for some detail. Let's go ahead and make some lines right on the inside of the jacket. That way we can add some detail onto here. We can even put a line right across the bottom of the jacket and across the top, just to make it look more interesting. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to curve out like this. We're going to bring this back to here for Godzilla's tail. Let's also make some little spikes here and another one here. We can also put some little spikes right along the tail. I'm going to put some little dots here and then some little dots here for some detail on his sleeves. And then I'm going to add a couple little lines right by his eye. And I'm going to make this line kind of come over just a little bit. I'm going to draw a line down here and then another line here for the other part of his mouth. And then I'm going to make some little kind of zigzag lines like this, so it looks like he's kind of shooting out his atomic blast. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Godzilla Nutcracker. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.